Oh, this feels so good. It must be like 90 degrees outside, but in here, the air conditioner makes it feel like 50.
Yeah.
Oh, the air conditioner's gotta be the best invention in the world. Whoever invented that should get a Nobel Prize.
Yeah.
I think people take the air conditioner for granted. If we didn't have air conditioners, the world would probably melt.
Yeah.
I wonder how air conditioners work even.
Yeah.
You want to find out?
Yeah.
Let's open it up right now and find out.
Yeah.
Oh, well, hello.
I knew it.
So what are you folks up to today? It's nice weather, isn't it?
It's hot.
Well, yeah, but that's why you have me. Should be thankful. I wish I had someone blowing on me. Oh, that's my cell phone. Hello? Mother? No, yes, I'm working right now. You know this. Yes. Okay, I will. Yes, okay, I love you too. Mom, she's got no respect for my job. She still thinks I'm a little boy. But no, I'm a big boy now. I have my own job and everything. You know, it's not much, but pays the rent. At least until I move on. Thinking about doing heating next. So you guys don't say much, do you? Well, very well then, if you're just gonna stare at me, might as well put the thing back on so I can go back to work.